Hello, this is the Kwikset Smartkey Generation 2 slider lock. There's 4 skates on every single slider, so you have to be worried about oversetting pins and dropping sliders. We're using the 1.2mm tension from Lock Tools, which fits perfectly on top of the keyway, and the Peterson hook 1 with 25 thousandths. And it's picked. So we've got this lock to show you. Normally there will be a circlip on the back of the lock, which I've already removed before this. So, core comes right out once it's picked. You can see in the core the slider on the side, which we'll remove and put on the side here. Then we have the housing for the slider, which can be removed as well. A spring at the back here, and we can begin to remove these sliders. We'll need pinning tweezers ideally. Position 1. Two, 3, 4, and lastly, if I can get this out, 5. So here's a close-up shot of the sliders. And you can see in the core, these nubs here interface with the sliders, the serrations on the sliders. The true gate is on one side, and there's a bunch of false gates to above and below it. This was the Kwikset Smartkey Generation 2. Thank you